Folks, something big just happened in the car world. It's not just another product launch or a minor update, this is a moment that could change the way we think about cars forever. The automotive industry has just been shaken to its core, and everyone is talking. On June 7, 2025, BYD dropped a bombshell that sent shockwaves through the industry. The Minie EV, a fully electric car, was unveiled with a jaw-dropping price tag of just $7,799. That's not a typo. For less than the cost of many used cars, you can now drive home a brand new zero-emission vehicle. This isn't just another EV, it's a revolution in motion. The excitement in the air was palpable, with crowds gathering and cameras flashing. People couldn't believe what they were seeing. For years, electric cars were either expensive status symbols or quirky science projects that felt out of reach for most people. The idea of owning an EV was often reserved for the wealthy or the tech-obsessed. The dream of an affordable, practical EV always seemed just out of reach. Many families walked away from dealerships disappointed, thinking clean transportation was a luxury they simply couldn't afford. But BYD didn't just lower the price, they obliterated the barrier. They've made electric cars accessible in a way that was previously unimaginable, opening the door for millions who were left out of the EV revolution. Suddenly, a brand new zero-emission car is actually cheaper than many used gas cars sitting on the lot. It's a game changer for anyone who thought an EV was out of their budget. This move forces every automaker to rethink what's possible and what an EV should cost. The $40,000 electric sedan, the $50,000 SUV, those price tags suddenly look out of touch and the industry is scrambling to respond. They look outdated next to this. The Minie EV makes yesterday's luxury models seem like relics of a different era. The Minie EV isn't about luxury, it's about making clean, reliable transportation accessible to everyone. It's about giving people real choices and a chance to be part of the future, no matter their income. Students, families, city dwellers, this car is for them. It's for anyone who wants to save money, help the environment, and drive something modern and practical. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Electric mobility is for all. It's a symbol of progress, inclusivity, and a cleaner future that everyone can share in. The industry's been disrupted and the shockwaves are just beginning. Automakers everywhere are now racing to catch up, and the world is watching to see what happens next. The BYD Minie EV is the start of something huge. It's a wake-up call for the entire industry, and a new dawn for drivers everywhere. How did BYD make a real EV for under $8,000? The answer? Vertical integration. BYD makes almost everything in-house, from batteries to chips to motors. Their Blade battery is safer, cheaper, and more efficient thanks to unique chemistry and design. By controlling the supply chain, BYD avoids markups and shortages that slow down competitors. This approach slashes costs at every step, from raw materials to final assembly. The result? A car that's affordable not because of corner cutting but because of smart engineering. The Minie EV is a masterclass in building value from the ground up. So, what exactly do you get for just $7,799? Let's take a closer look at what makes the BYD Minie EV such an intriguing option for city drivers and budget-conscious buyers alike. Unlike many other compact electric vehicles, the Minie EV is a true four-seater. No cramped two-seat compromise here. It's designed to comfortably fit 4 adults, making it practical for friends, family, or even ride-sharing. The car's compact footprint makes it perfect for navigating tight city streets and squeezing into small parking spots. But the clever interior layout means you don't have to sacrifice comfort or space. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or meeting up with friends, there's room for everyone on board. The styling is modern and fun, with a range of bright color options and a friendly, approachable face that stands out in traffic. It's a car that brings a bit of personality to your daily drive, making city life a little more cheerful. Underneath, the advanced Blade battery technology delivers around 150 to 180 miles of real-world range on a single charge, more than enough for most daily commutes, errands, and even spontaneous trips across town. You can drive with confidence knowing you won't be searching for a charger every day. Safety is built in from the ground up, with a battery engineered to resist damage and protect you and your passengers. The Minie EV's battery has undergone rigorous testing to ensure it stands up to real-world challenges, giving you peace of mind on every journey. Charging is simple and convenient. Just plug in at home overnight or top up at a public level 2 charger while you're out and about. There's no need to worry about complicated charging setups or long waits. you don't need to invest in expensive fast-charging hardware. The Minie EV is designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine, making electric driving accessible and stress-free. Inside, the Minie EV keeps things minimalist but practical. You get a digital dash, a responsive touchscreen for media and navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for your devices, and power windows for added convenience. The materials are durable and easy to clean, helping keep costs down without feeling cheap or flimsy. It's a space that feels thoughtfully designed for everyday use. The Minie EV gives you everything you need for city life: efficient transportation, easy parking, and low running costs, without any unnecessary extras to drive up the price. Affordable, easy to own, and ready for the real world, the BYD Minie EV is a smart choice for anyone looking to embrace electric mobility without breaking the bank. In crowded cities, the Minie EV is a true game changer, designed specifically for the challenges of urban life. With streets packed with cars and limited parking, every inch matters, and that's where the Minie EV shines. Its tiny footprint means you can slip into parking spots that bigger vehicles can only dream of. Navigating through bumper-to-bumper traffic becomes less of a headache thanks to its nimble handling and compact size. U-turns on narrow streets, squeezing into tight garages, or maneuvering through lanes barely wider than the car itself. These are all effortless tasks for the Minie EV. It's built for the twists and turns of city living, but the real win is cost. Charging at home costs just a few bucks, not $60 at the pump. You can plug in overnight and wake up to a full battery, ready for the day ahead. Maintenance? Minimal, and that's a huge relief for your wallet. No oil changes, no exhaust system to worry about, and far fewer moving parts than a traditional car. That means fewer trips to the mechanic and less time spent dealing with repairs. All those savings add up, putting more money in your pocket every single month. Lower running costs mean you can spend on what matters most to you, not on your commute. The electric motor is whisper quiet and incredibly smooth, transforming stressful city driving into a calm, almost serene experience. No more engine noise or constant vibrations, just peace as you glide through the city. You arrive at your destination feeling relaxed, not frazzled or worn out from the drive. It's a small change that makes a big difference in your daily routine. Inside, you'll find modern features and intuitive controls that make every journey enjoyable. The simple dashboard and smart tech keep things easy and stress-free, even for first-time EV drivers. For city dwellers, students, and young professionals, it's the right tool for the job: efficient, affordable, and perfectly tailored for short urban commutes. Why use a bulky, gas-guzzling SUV for short trips around town? The Minie EV is simply more practical for city life. Plus, it's the smarter, cleaner choice. With zero tailpipe emissions, you're helping reduce air pollution and making your city a greener, healthier place to live. It's practical, affordable, and perfectly suited for urban life. Owners love the freedom and savings it brings. For millions living in dense cities, this is the car they've been waiting for, a solution that finally fits their lifestyle and their budget. The Minie EV is the ultimate city companion, making every day easier, cleaner, and more affordable. Affordable city cars aren't new. Japan's K-cars like the Nissan Sakura have been around for years. The Sakura is well-built and feature-rich, but starts at around $17,000. The Minie EV? Less than half that price. It may not have the Sakura's premium feel, but it nails the basics: 4 seats, real range, and low running costs. The Minie's global focus and aggressive pricing give it massive appeal. It's not about outdoing every rival on features, it's about redefining value. For many buyers, paying double for extras just doesn't make sense. The Minie EV makes other, affordable EVs look expensive. It's a market disruptor, not just another competitor. The Minie creates a new entry point for EV ownership. Now, rivals have to rethink their prices or risk being left behind. The $7,799 Minie EV is shaking up the global auto industry. Legacy automakers have focused on pricey SUVs and sedans, blaming high costs. BYD just proved affordable EVs are possible, right now. Now, rivals must choose ignore this market and lose buyers, or overhaul their entire approach to compete. Expect a rush to develop cheaper batteries and more efficient factories. The Minie EV is BYD's Trojan horse, getting new buyers in the door and building brand loyalty. Western brands risk looking outdated and overpriced. Suppliers, policymakers, and even the used car market will feel the impact. When a new EV costs less than a used gas car, everything changes. The Minie EV isn't just a car, it's a catalyst for industry-wide transformation. The Minie EV makes mass EV adoption possible. The price barrier is gone. Now, anyone can go electric. This isn't just for enthusiasts, it's for everyone: students, workers, retirees. Imagine cities filled with quiet, clean, affordable cars. Less pollution, less noise, less congestion. The Minie EV could help reshape urban life for the better. Its success will spark more innovation and competition in affordable EVs. The future of cars, especially in cities, looks a lot like the Minie EV. This is progress making technology accessible, not just impressive. Thanks to the Minie EV, the electric road ahead is open to all.